In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram try again later error. If you're getting the annoying try again later message on Instagram when you try to like, post, comment, follow someone or scroll through their feed, then in this video, I will guide you on how to fix this quickly. The first thing you want to do is take a break from Instagram. For that, close the app and stop using it for a few hours. Avoid liking, commenting, or following too many accounts quickly. After some time, open the app and check if the error is gone. If the error is still there, then the next thing you want to do is clear the cache. For that, head over to Settings, then tap Apps. Now from the list of applications, select Instagram. Tap Storage, now tap Clear Cache. Check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the next step is to update the Instagram app. Head over to Google Play Store or App Store. Now search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If the problem still continues, you want to switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. If nothing works, you need to report the problem to Instagram. For that, take a screenshot of the error, then head over to your profile, tap Menu, here tap More Info and Support, then select Help, now select Report a Problem. Here you want to describe the issue. Attach the screenshot and send it. With this, the error of try again later on Instagram will be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment which step worked for you.